this time we're introducing
Lava.
Gravitrax. It's Gravitrax
Lava.
Volcano.
Oh, I mean volcano. Not
And
lava.
again, be careful with the knife.
Yes. You could cut yourself and be bleed. And be good. And do with the scissors if there's no moms or anything.
Yeah.
I can make sculptures. Sculptures like, well, you have to make some.
This is so the ball can. Hey!
And sorry, but we'll just show you a sample.
Hey, stop that. Hey,
And we'll build now.
Wait.
Well, we're still beginners, but
I know we're still beginners, but you know the word that practice makes perfect, so we're still trying. Again, I told you to be careful with this. This volcano.
It's gonna open suddenly. So look, you see the volcano here. Thank you.
Well,
You see, if you push this button, this comes out.
yes. And we'll be leaving here today. Wait, but the next episode I'm giving you will be about the most exciting thing, jumper. It'll be fun, I promise you.
Yes.
And the Game Bros of Gravitrax will be leaving now.